How to Get a Full Scholarship to Study Abroad, Step-by-Step Guide 2026. What if I told you, you don't need rich parents to study abroad? Thousands of students win full scholarships every year. The difference is not intelligence, it's strategy. Today, I'll show you exactly how to position yourself to win a fully funded scholarship in 2026. Watch until the end. Most students miss step number 5. 1. Understand the types of scholarships. There are fully funded scholarships, tuition plus living plus travel, partial scholarships, merit-based scholarships, need-based scholarships, government scholarships, university-funded scholarships. Fully funded scholarships are competitive, but possible. 2. Target countries that offer strong funding. Countries known for scholarships include the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia. Some governments fund international students to promote global education. Your job is research. 3. Choose the right program, strategic move. Scholarships are easier to win in STEM fields, public health, development studies, education, engineering, technology. If you apply to oversaturated programs without strong positioning, competition increases. Be strategic. 4. Your personal statement is everything. Most students lose scholarships here. Your essay must answer, why you? Why this field? Why this country? What impact will you create after graduation? Don't just say, I have passion. Show results. Talk about projects, leadership, community impact, measurable achievements. Specific beats generic. 5. Build a strong profile before applying. If you're still in school, volunteer, lead projects, join research, start initiatives, get internships. Scholarships reward impact, not just grades. This is what most students don't prepare early enough. 6. Strong recommendation letters. Choose referees who know your work personally, can speak about leadership, can describe your character, can mention real examples. Generic letters weaken applications. 7. Apply early and apply smart. Many scholarships close months before school starts. Late applications equals missed opportunities. Also, apply to multiple scholarships. Never rely on one. Common mistakes. Copy-paste essays. Ignoring eligibility requirements. Weak documentation. Poor grammar. Applying without preparation. Scholarship committees can tell when you rushed. Realistic truth. Winning a full scholarship is competitive, but it is not impossible. Every year, students from Nigeria, India, Ghana, Kenya, Brazil, Pakistan win fully funded scholarships. The difference is preparation plus positioning. If you could study in one country for free, where would it be? Comment below. This increases engagement signals. If you want more videos on best scholarships by country, how to write winning essays, how to apply step by step, subscribe. Your opportunity is real, but preparation is everything.